How to make money online fast. Whether you are already building a side hustle from home or starting out completely new, this video will show you exactly how to create multiple income streams and become profitable with the right strategies. If you are looking for a way to make money online fast, then you want to be sure that you do it right. It's quite easy to get caught up in the excitement. All of the great marketing tips are out there to persuade you, but very few of you take the time to investigate these options. In this video, we will be taking a look at some of the best ways to make money online fast, and we will also share some of our favorite platforms that you can use that's best for you. Before that, please subscribe to my Technical Solution channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss valuable content next time. Let's get started. Number 1. Create an online course. An online course is like having a physical classroom for your learners, but on their screens. If you have students who are interested in taking your course, you should offer to give it to them. A great example of an online course is Udemy. They have a ton of categories on everything from programming to photography. You can teach your favorite subject there. Since the fee charging structure is affordable for students, therefore you can attract more students to enroll and start learning practical skills. Number 2. Print on demand. One thing that has been changing the retail space over the past year is the print on demand (POD) technologies. This is an increasingly popular method for printing. You can get print of your choice on your favorite thing like t-shirts, mugs, stickers, and even posters. Not only do you do print on demand, but you can also start your own e-commerce business model where you sell digital goods. POD products have a fixed price and aren't necessarily limited to the number of copies available to customers. Customers can customize the printouts, including printing their own designs. While it's not quite the same as having the physical product on display in a retail environment, POD is a unique e-commerce business model that's gaining popularity. So, tell us in the comment section, does this idea click on you and when you are starting this startup? Number 3. Publish an ebook. We all have that book in our heads that we want to write. The thing is, if you don't publish it, it won't get written. To be honest, I have a feeling most people aren't comfortable talking about themselves until they have something to show. But that's just not true. In fact, talking about yourself is one of the most effective ways to attract a reader to you. As soon as you are ready to publish your ebook, consider using publishing platforms like Google Books, Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, Lulu, Smashwords, or CreateSpace. These online platforms gives you all the functionality of a traditional publisher. Number 4. Start a micro niche blog. Before you can start blogging, you first need to determine if it's something that's right for you and your brand. Micro niche blogs or niche blogs are essentially blogs about a specific topic or subject matter. There are very small blogs that target an audience with a specific set of interests. I am the type of person who gets bored easily, but I have to say that I really enjoyed writing for a niche audience. It was still fun for me to just write for the heck of it. I would recommend starting a micro niche blog because I feel like you got a better understanding of your audience. Number 5. Becoming an online tutor. There are several ways that you can become an online tutor. You can start off by offering some free tutoring sessions on your website. You must want to offer multiple options for the kind of tutoring you do. 2. From basic help with homework to school courses. Make sure that your site is easy to navigate so that students can easily find what they are looking for. Don't forget to give your potential students the chance to contact you directly by sending an email or filling out a form. Teaching English course is a great way to supplement your income while working from home. Many websites offer a wide variety of tutoring opportunities, from simple grammar lessons to help with test prep. While many sites advertise hourly rates anywhere from $10 to $25, some offer better pay with additional perks such as getting paid to complete tasks like creating lesson plans or grading student work. Online tutoring is a form of micro tutoring which allows students to connect with private one-to-one tutors through video chat applications like Skype or Google Meet. In 2012, the National Association of Tutoring Professionals (NATT) predicted that tutoring will become a popular career choice. A survey found that almost half of respondents have been tutored in high school and over a quarter had tutored in college. Conclusion. In conclusion, the best thing to do is to start with a goal that you know is achievable. If you want to be a writer and have a book published, make your life of goal very specific. For example, you could set a goal of writing 10 chapters of your book and by completing one chapter every week. This will give you something tangible to achieve and keep you accountable for your progress. So, start creating opportunities for yourself now and make sure you are spending your time wisely. The more time you spend creating opportunities, the greater chance you have of earning a consistent income, especially if you put in hard work required to generate it. Thanks for watching.